Hey guys, Merry Christmas Eve, it's Lacquer Lover here, and today I'm back with this Red Velvet Psycho inspired nail art tutorial. If you guys follow my Instagram, you guys have already seen this look, and I'm just here to teach you guys how to paint it. Psycho. Start by applying base coat to all of your fingernails. I'm using Unpeel Off base coat, which I always leave linked in the description box. And I also want to preface this tutorial by saying that this is honestly the easiest tutorial on my channel because all you'll be using are two colors, black and white, and you're just going to spice up the colors with some glitter. And these are inspired by the outfits that the girls wear in the music video, and they are absolutely stunning, and I tried my best to take elements from each of the members. So I'm using black polish here. To start off, I'm painting my index fingernail black and my middle and ring fingernails a sheer pink. So I'm going to start off this design by applying top coat over my black index fingernail, and this is just a sticky layer onto which I can embed these black tinsel glitters, and this is inspired by the girls' sparkly black outfits, which I think are absolutely adorable. And for the middle fingernail, I drew a triangle towards the tip of the nail with a silver glitter polish, and I'm using a sponge to get rid of the excess clear jelly polish so that I can apply a denser silver glitter onto the tip of the nail. And I'm just going into the area that I've outlined with the brush, and then on top of this triangle I'm going to outline with white polish, and then I'm going to connect the tip to the cuticle. And on the very inside, I am also going to be drawing a smaller triangle so that you leave a thin border of silver as well. This design is inspired by one of Yeti's tops. And for the ring fingernail design, I'm doing a design that's inspired by Irene's diamond choker, and I don't have real diamonds to put on my nails, but I am going to be using these holographic silver glitters, and I'm doing a glitter placement and trying to make it look like a diamond choker in that aspect. And I'm just doing it on the tip because chokers are quite thin themselves, and so this glitter placement should be as daunting as they usually are, and I basically just applied a little bit of top coat to stick these glitters on. And now I'm going to be applying a layer of thick glossy top coat to all of my nails, and since all of them have glitter, you want to make sure that you float your brush across the top and really seal in those glitters. Now moving on to the pinky fingernail, I'm painting it white, and this is inspired by their sparkly white outfits. And then I'm going to be applying a layer of this white iridescent glitter topper that I swatched in my most recent swatch video, and then I'm just adding some of my own white iridescent glitters that are slightly bigger on top, and then just applying another layer of that white glitter polish. And I'll also top coat this design. And now on to the last piece of this design, I'm going to be painting my thumbnail black. And then I'm just applying a layer of glossy top coat to prepare for matte top coat, and this nail is super simple and just inspired by Irene's matte black nails, which I thought fit very well with this concept. So that is it for my extremely simple Red Velvet Psycho inspired nail art design. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you guys have a Merry Christmas. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys next time.